Today we're doing a product review on the Murray Select 2-in-1 front wheel drive 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. Purchased from Walmart. How much, hon?
About $230 before tax.
And like lots of products that you buy that are in that price point, it's got a lot of plastic on it. We bought it to take care of small areas around the homestead, and we're just unboxing it. We'll show you how it works and what we think about it. Last close to 15 years, we haven't had a yard we had to mow or maintain. Either we were renting and there were landscapers, or we lived on rock. So a lot of our tools were sold or given away or lost over the last several years, and we're having to replenish. So now we have a lawnmower.
Sure, it's pretty. You want to look at in the box?
Okay, there's in the box, because hubby says it sure is pretty. It's plastic. Everything nowadays has more plastic on it than they do metal. But hey, for the price that we paid, and us being cash basis people, that's what we could afford, and it's gonna do what we need. Oh, there's not a lot to put together, is there? It looks like it's already together.
I don't even think I need to get out the instructions on this
I
one.
mean, yeah, look at it. Gonna mow first.
We're gonna mow your vineyard.
The vineyard that we're getting ready to plant, 2 grapevines. Lots of plastic on this. It's got plastic wheels, plastic parts, plastic in the body. So UV rays could be a real killer for this little lawnmower, but if you store it inside, it probably will last for a while. And manual.
No, registration, operator's manual.
There are so many warnings on equipment nowadays. Before starting, read this: danger, danger, warning, warning. People common sense, like don't stick your hands and your feet under where the blade's going. Don't have cigarettes in your mouth when you're pouring gasoline. You know, use your common sense. Or what?
No, it's just oil for the crankcase.
Okay. It is made in the USA, and I imagine all the other parts are from overseas, but it does have the engine made in the USA.
Briggs and Stratton.
It's a Briggs and Stratton. What does that mean?
It's just the company that makes the engine.
Yep.
They're a good manufacturer of lawnmowers. Grass catcher, don't have one. Bad discharge, you know what I mean?
So if your motor's in good shape, the fact that it's got plastic everywhere else, it's better to have the good motor.
Shoot. Got oil on a brand new mower.
It's black, you can't see it.
Let's see the pump I made.
So you like that dipstick that comes with it?
Oh yeah, it's real handy.
So the lawnmower that we bought also comes with some oil. And the oil is from Briggs and Stratton. Do you know how many gallons that holds?
Nope.
The lawnmower?
Sure don't.
Probably says so on the box somewhere. Started on the first crank. I like that. This is where we're going to be planting our Reliance grapes that I bought from Stark Brothers. We have ants and they are huge, and then we have fire ants. There must be 4 or 5 different types of ants out here. And I looked down and they were all over my muck boots, and I knocked them off. I think they got me a little bit, but I had to retreat. I don't do ants. Hubby picked up some more rocks, tossed them in the little dry creek bed, and he's lowering it down another notch. How many notches does it have, hon?
6.
Okay, so it's got 6 settings.
We on 6, then we did 5, now we're on 4.
Okay. Setting down to 2, which would be typically what most people would mow their yard at. Each time he lowered the setting, we found more rocks, and so we've been picking those up and tossing them into the little dry creek bed. So now it's going on 2.
This Murray self-propelled 21-inch lawnmower from Walmart. Pretty good so far. We've only used it for a few minutes, but went together easy, starts easy. Got some nice features, and we'll see. Check with me in a month.